Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and we just wanted to discuss with you some of the recent events that occurred overnight and how this may affect the stock market and what you can do to maximize your profits based on these events. So as you may have known, Donald Trump overnight tested positive for coronavirus, and he is a male, and although not statistically proven, males have been hit harder by the coronavirus, and he's 6'3" and weighs 110 kilos, which gives him a BMI of 30.3. And this score makes him clinically obese. And based on this, we did see a drop in the S&P 500 of 1.4% intraday. And the pre-market, the stocks did dip around 5 to 10%. So the popular stocks like Facebook, Apple, Tesla, we did see a drop of them 5 to 10%. And we also have to remember that Donald Trump is 74 years old, so he falls into the age bracket of 65 to 74. And as you may know, there are already 200,000 deaths already from coronavirus in the USA alone. And 21% of those deaths are caused by people of that specific age bracket of 65 to 74. So this puts Donald Trump at a higher risk than the average person. And also, because he's obese, he's at a much higher risk. So his chance of death right now is around 6%. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll be talking about what impacts this may have on the stock market and your stock and what you should do. So as you probably know, today when the stock market opened, everything just kind of went down. So we saw a big fall in the stock market, but throughout the day, so I think now it's like what's time, nearly 5 p.m.
Yeah.
So the stock market has been slowly climbing back up, but personally I feel like the worst is still to come. So over the next week or two, we could see a bigger decrease, bigger crash in the stock market, purely based off, let's take for example Boris Johnson, because obviously we're from the UK. But yeah, Boris was tested positive back in March, and the same exact thing happened. We saw a big fall in the stock market, but as he started to develop symptoms and he was admitted into hospital and ICU, we saw a bigger plunge in the stock market, and this was like a up to 2 weeks fall in the stock market. And I think the most important thing to know, or just to take away, is the fall in the stock market is not because the company you're investing in is doing bad. It's purely an economic effect, because with being an investor or with the investing space and the stock market, we don't like uncertainty, and that's what this news brings. It makes it's very uncertain as to what can happen in the future, and as investors, or as many other investors, we don't like uncertainty in the stock market or in the economy, because Donald Trump potentially passing away, or just something happening to him, could have a very big impact in the stock market. And so what am I gonna do? So first of all, for today, I'm just gonna hold and just kind of watch to see what the stock market is saying and what's happening. Then over the next week, maybe starting from Monday, we could probably see a bigger decrease in the stock market. Say if news broke out that he's now developed symptoms, because I think right now he's asymptomatic. So say now if he starts to develop symptoms and he's admitted into hospital, we could see a bigger decrease in the stock market. And that's Black Friday. No, but that's then the chance to kind of add to your position and buy more stocks at a lower cost base. So the most important thing to take away is don't let this scare you. The company you're investing in, your Tesla, your Workhorse, your Hyliion, they're not doing badly. Nothing's changed. The fundamental in that company, nothing's changed. It's purely an economic effect, which was even to be expected, and with the upcoming election. But obviously now this news affects the elections as well. But it's just what comes with being an investor in the stock market. It's more than just a stock and the company. You have to be aware of your surrounding and just what's happening in your economy. So that's why I would say, just keep doing your research, keep educating yourself, and be aware of your surrounding, and just kind of, but that's just the news we wanted to bring to you.
Just also remember that Donald Trump, he does have access to the best healthcare in the US, so he is likely to pull through. However, him being hospitalized is still on the tables because we saw what happened to Boris Johnson.
Yeah.
Like, he was asymptomatic.
Then-
Next night, he's in hospital now, saying then he's in ICU as well. But yeah, they do say that he doesn't have any underlying health conditions. He's rather healthy. He plays golf a lot. As I said, he has access to best healthcare, but then his BMI is a risk as well. It does increase your chance by 50% of developing serious conditions if you're hospitalized. And as Carlos said, it will push the election back as well, and all the uncertainty will drive the market down. So it's just good to hold for now, just see how everything plays out.
Yeah,
before
just
adding to your
watch the
position.
market
Yeah.
and don't panic sell and
Yeah.
start losing money. This is not the time to panic.
Yeah, exactly.
If you're going to be a real investor, you need to be able to deal with the ups
stock
and
market,
the downs of the stock market, because that's what it is. You need to celebrate the downs and celebrate the goods, because end of the day, as a long-term investor, you make money. But yeah, that's just a video doing that.
Yeah, and if you did panic sell today, just to let you know, you would have lost a lot of money right now because everything is recovering. So that's just a simple example I'm giving you. Just hold on to everything. Everything does recover. But yeah.
So hopefully this is a quick video, I think. But yeah, so just want to give you a quick update, and be sure, we haven't even said it yet, but yeah, be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe to the video, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.